Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel HMA Web Design. In today's video tutorial, we are going to learn about the if statements in PHP. The conditional statements in PHP are used to perform certain actions based on different conditions. In PHP, we have the following conditional statements. Number 1, if statement. If statements execute some code only if a specified condition is true. Number 2, if else statement. Execute some code if a condition is true and another condition if the condition is false. Number 3, if elseif else statement. If elseif else statement, select one of several blocks of code to be executed. This is the basic syntax of if statement. You have to write the if keyword, then inside the small brackets, here is the condition. If this condition is true, then code inside the curly brackets will be executed. Next, if else statement. If this condition is true, then this code will be executed. Else, if condition is false, then this code will be executed. Next is if else statement. Here is the basic syntax. If this condition is true, then code inside the curly bracket will be executed. If the above condition is false, then if this condition is true, then this code will be executed. If both the condition above are false, then else statement will be executed. Now go to my code editor, then we try to create the if statement with the help of some example. Let's create a user variable. Let's, for example, name the user variable HMA Web Design semicolon. Then create if statement, keyword if, small bracket, then outside the small bracket we have to write curly brackets. Inside the small bracket you have to write the condition. My condition is if user is double equal to HMA Web Design. If my user variable is equal to this, then this will execute echo hi, how are you? If this condition is false, then it will execute else statement. Then this will show echo it. Go to your browser to check the output. You can see that my output is hi, how are you? Because my condition is true. One thing you must understand that you have to write the double equal sign. This means that we are comparing the value of user variable with the user. It will compare the values, and single equal to will set the value. If I change the value of the variable, then Control S. If I go to my web browser and refresh it, you can see that here is my output, I don't know you, because this condition is false. Now here is a mini challenge for you. Can you create an if statement which will allow user if the age of the user is greater than or equal to 18? Let's create an age variable. Age is equal to 25. You can add couple of line breaks to display the output in separate line. Then refresh your browser. Here is my output. You may proceed because this if statement is true.